And Mike Pence is going to have to come through for us. And if he doesn't...
Love or hate him, for the last 7 years, media right and left has been focused on Donald J. Trump and his mission to divide us. It's time we remember there have been leaders who inspire us to unity and call in a new generation of titans.
Compass, gunpowder, and the printing press. Now the links between the nations, first forged by the compass, have made us all citizens of the world, the hopes and threats of one, becoming the hopes and threats of us all.
And since faith itself cannot be proved by extraneous evidence, the safest course is to believe in the moral government of the world, and therefore in the supremacy of the moral law, the law of truth and love.
It's a Lou Marilyn of style. No, I'm the same person, but it's a different suit.
That the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
They're looking for the good stuff. That's all your house is. It's a place to keep your stuff while you go out and get more stuff.
I have a dream that one day every valley shall be exalted. Every hill and mountain shall be made low. The rough places will be made plain, and the crooked places will be made straight. And the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together.
Well, originally I was pointed out that fact in reference to England, that we meant more to kids than Jesus did, or religion at that time. I wasn't knocking it or putting it down, I was just saying it.
And now, time is come. We really need more effort regarding promotion of warm-heartedness, affection, compassion. Here, female should take more active role.
The cosmos is full beyond measure of elegant truths, of exquisite interrelationships, of the awesome machinery of nature.